In this video, we're going to be going over how you can join the official Donut SMP Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. I'm going to be doing this on my Discord on my PC, but you can do this on a mobile device. It doesn't necessarily matter. But what you're going to want to do is get loaded into Discord, and once you do get loaded into Discord, on this left-hand side where all of your servers are going to be, just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see a little plus icon here. Select that plus icon, and it's going to go ahead and open up a page that looks like this. Hit join a server down at the bottom, and it's going to take you to this official invite link section. Now, don't worry, you don't actually need an invite link to do this. Just simply type in Donuts SMP, just like so. All one word, no caps, no spaces, just like this, and hit enter. And what it's going to do is actually load for a second and then immediately put you into the server. As you can see, it just loaded me in. It's going to ask you to customize your experience here. You can go ahead and do this if you like. I'm just going to skip through it just because it doesn't necessarily matter to me. And then once you get to this section, you just need to scroll down to the bottom and hit finish, and you'll now be in the official server. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You're not going to be in the official Donut SMP Discord server. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It genuinely does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.